Welcome to Momentum Property Education. This is what others are saying about the company.
Thank you, Daniel. Love to be on your show, and hello to everybody in your community. Great to see you all.
Months ago, I took the Freedom Property Intensive course, and now, just last week, I put in my first offer on a rental property in the US.
I think this was a great presentation. Daniel is really experienced in the field.
I know Daniel for several years, and I will say that he's doing a fabulous presentation.
So the rent, it's a really good idea.
And we're here because we're celebrating our future joint ventureship in the UK property market.
Me and my partner are just about to make our first deal.
I'm one of the mentees at the Momentum Property Education. I'm here today to present our new real-time renders on property for investors and people that want to visualize their dreams.
Say thank you to Daniel Wood for actually creating this really good group to be part of.
Momentum Property Education has been featured in the news, media and on podcasts all over the world, including Landlord Zone, who called Momentum a rare animal in the world of property mentors, pushing for regulation in the space. The Swedish industry organisation Event Effect dubbed Daniel Wood as one of the top 100 public speakers in Sweden. Daniel Wood has also been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine, Yahoo News, Company Bug, The Real Estate Podcast and The Business Elevation Show. Gisela has been featured in Talented Ladies Club, was on the cover of Global Woman Magazine, featured in Elle Magazine and Epoch Times. Lucas Brzezinski has been featured on the Property Nomads Podcast, Medium, the Momentum Investing Podcast, and the Business Elevation Show. Welcome to Momentum Property Education.